Welcome back everyone. Today I am here to show you a new project which is a very good opportunity right now because I have seen just know that a big whale had bought these tokens just fresh newly launched. It is not newly launched, just fresh. The whales had bought this token and this just rose by more than 14 to 15%. See this, just see this graph. The whales have bought at this level and it pushed up to the 14 to 15%. But the main whales had bought just like at the price of near about 33 0.03345, something like that. They have bought at this level, and so I am here to alert you, early alert you, so that you can also grab this opportunity and don't miss this opportunity, because I have also bought these tokens and I am looking for very short term 2x 3x in this tokens. The token is named NuNet NTX. So the current price is 0.03866. So if I look at its market, where can we buy these tokens? It's available on MinSwap. I think it is decentralized exchanges. You can buy from the mexc, which is very much commonly and easy to buy. Mexc is very good exchanges to buy these tokens, and I have used mxc to buy this also. So just freshly, a newly, not newly, very successful traders who is always profitable. He doesn't make lots of mistakes. He is the trader who is like, whenever he takes, most of the times it, whenever he buys, the coin price, the token price goes up to by 100 to 200%. So he creates an impact in a market. So I am here just to alert you, this is for the information purpose. So if you think you can handle the extreme volatility and you don't fear, you can take your own responsibility whether it's profit or loss, then you can share to buy this token. I am not forcing you to buy this token. Currently it is available at 19.48 millions of market cap. So in short time I think it can easily go 10x 20x in short term. So in a very short term I am looking for 2x 3x in these tokens. So if you want to buy, you can check out in this website. I'll give the link in the descriptions, and you can check out its websites, token websites, all the economics, all the fundamentals you can get here. It is a decentralized computing. So I'll not go so much in details because it will take much more times of you. You can go and check it out yourself, and they have mentioned many things, so I don't have time to explain you so much in depth. And you can check its Twitter handle also, as they are mostly active. They are active all the time, they are active. So I think they are working on their projects. So it's a good opportunity right now to buy these tokens. If you don't want to miss the opportunity, then you can go with these tokens. I am also in, the whales are also in, and the traders who make an impact, who creates a, whatever you call, they are a money magnet. So this is it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.